Hello everyone. Welcome back to another week of Spice Club. We are almost done. We're on the home stretch. I'm glad you've made it this far. This is Kelly with your MTL. And this week we are featuring Herbes de Provence. And as the name suggests, it's herbs from the Provence region in the south of France. Now this is a blend that has existed for a long time, but it hasn't existed within its little name of Herbes de Provence since around the 1970s. And the person who actually made it the most popular was Julia Child. She featured it in her Mastering of French Cooking cookbook, where she had a poulet sauté à herbes de Provence, or chicken sautéed in herbs from Provence, and it just kind of stuck from there. But even though it existed, the French didn't really have a name for it because it was just something that was the flavors of that region, which mostly includes rosemary, thyme, savory, and then a little bit of oregano and basil. And that is something that just basically grew in their backyards. The chefs would go get those herbs, put it in their favorite dishes, and that was that. They go really well with grilled meats and a lot of stewed veggies. If you're familiar with the dish ratatouille, you know Herbes de Provence. And for some reason, since the Americans love to think of French as lavender, you can find lavender in Herbes de Provence blends, but only on the American market. Try making your own sometime. Once you know the ingredients and the ratios, you totally can.